We have some nice Scotch bonnet. Over here we have
Alright
some
people, so
onions.
we are rock out with Chef Crook, and one of the most popular dish on the menu is the old time sinting. So if you're ever there Jamaica or you come on the grill and want some real Jamaican food in a modern fashion, link up, check out the menu and make sure so you get the old time sinting, traditional Jamaican style. See there?
Yeah. And look at the color, guys.
Full of flavor.
See? In a couple seconds.
And people don't see it served in a coconut bowl.
Spicy, just keep the hands up. Like I said, guys, it's mild spice, alright? So we're not gonna go authentic Jamaican spice.
So old time sinting people, Rockhouse Restaurant, Chef Crook, West End Nick Grill.
That is it.
Real thing, Chef Crook.
One crocodile in our system.